If you're just starting with longboarding, there are some important things to consider when choosing your board, like balance, stability, and control. Beginner longboards focus on these features to give new riders a smooth and easy ride. In this video, we're showing you 5 of the best longboards for beginners that offer comfort, control, and great value. Whether you're cruising or carving, there's something here for you. Check the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. Let's roll! Number 5. Playshion 42-inch Pintail Longboard. The Playshion 42-inch Pintail Longboard is an excellent choice for beginners seeking a stable and enjoyable ride. Designed for comfort and ease of use, it features a wide 9.5-inch deck made from 7-ply maple and bamboo. This strong yet flexible construction offers both durability and a smooth ride, making it perfect for cruising, commuting, or learning the basics of carving. Equipped with soft 70mm by 51mm 78A polyurethane wheels, the longboard glides effortlessly over cracks, bumps, and small potholes. These shock-absorbent wheels provide excellent grip and control, ideal for those just getting started with longboarding. Combined with ABEC 9 precision bearings, the board ensures a fast yet stable performance. The Playshion Longboard also includes 7-inch lightweight aluminum trucks, offering reliable stability and responsive turning. These trucks reduce wobble and make the board easy to maneuver, especially for new riders still gaining confidence in their balance and control. Number 4. VOLADOR Freeride Longboard. The VOLADOR Freeride Longboard is a versatile and beginner-friendly option built for comfort, performance, and control. Its 42-inch deck is crafted from 8-ply maple wood and reinforced with epoxy resin for added durability and natural flex. This camber concave design evenly distributes weight, absorbs shocks, and supports riders up to 220 pounds, making it perfect for freeride beginners and daily commuters alike. Equipped with 70mm by 51mm 78A urethane wheels, provides a smooth and stable ride over a variety of surfaces. The center core design offers a balanced grip-to-slide transition, ideal for learning slides or cruising comfortably. Paired with high-efficiency ABEC 9 bearings, this board ensures minimal friction and sustained speed with low maintenance. Its 7-inch forged aluminum trucks feature 45 to 55 degrees adjustable angles, giving riders the ability to fine-tune for responsiveness or stability. Whether you're carving down a hill or navigating city streets, these trucks handle impact and turns with ease. The VOLADOR Longboard is ready for everything from beginner tricks to smooth urban cruising. Number 3. Fish 41-inch Downhill Longboard Skateboard. The Fish 41-inch Downhill Longboard Skateboard is a well-rounded option for skaters of all skill levels, from beginners to pros. Its full-size 41 inches by 9.5 inches deck offers ample space for comfortable footing, making it perfect for freestyle riding, basic tricks, and cruising. The stylish Constellation design adds a fun, modern look to this versatile board. Built with 8-ply high-grade Canadian maple deck ensures excellent durability and stability. The emery non-slip surface provides solid grip for both kids and adults, and the board supports up to 330 pounds, making it ideal for a wide range of riders. With 70mm by 51mm HR82A polyurethane wheels that effectively absorb shocks and handle rough surfaces with ease. Combined with ABEC 9 chrome steel bearings and super soft bushing, delivers a fast, fluid, and vibration-free experience on roads and pavements. The Fish Longboard is also equipped with 7-inch heavy-duty aluminum alloy trucks and a steel axle for maximum sturdiness. It even includes an all-in-one skate T-tool for easy maintenance and quick adjustments. Number 2. RIMABLE 41-inch Maple Wood Deck Longboard. The RIMABLE 41-inch Maple Wood Deck Longboard is a fantastic choice for beginners looking for a smooth, stable, and stylish ride. Designed for teens, kids, and adults, this freestyle longboard features a 41-inch by 9.5-inch deck made from durable 9-ply hard maple wood. With a slight concave shape, the deck offers better foot control and balance, helping new riders build confidence quickly. The 70mm PU wheels with a soft 78A durometer and quality bushings deliver a comfortable and controlled ride. Fitted with OS 780 transparent grip tape, the board offers strong foot traction while allowing the heat-transferred graphic beneath to remain visible. This blend of performance and style enhances grip for safer riding and helps preserve the board's visual appeal against daily wear. For cruising and carving, the top-mount truck design increases deck height and responsiveness. This placement allows riders to make aggressive carves while maintaining excellent stability, making it a great board for learning freestyle techniques or simply commuting with ease. Whether you're practicing new moves or gliding down sidewalks, the RIMABLE Longboard offers a fun and dependable ride. Number 1. Junley 41-inch Freeride Skateboard Longboard. The Junley 41-inch Freeride Skateboard Longboard is a versatile and durable board designed for cruising, carving, freestyle, and downhill riding. Built for riders of all skill levels, its 41 inches by 9.5 inches deck is made from cold-pressed 8-ply natural maple wood, offering excellent strength and stability. With a brushed black anti-slip surface, it provides superior foot grip and supports up to 330 pounds. This longboard is equipped with highly responsive 7-inch aluminum alloy trucks and ultra-high elastic PU support pads, ensuring solid control and smooth turning. Whether you're navigating city streets or taking on downhill curves, the wide turning radius delivers excellent maneuverability for a confident ride. The board features durable 70mm by 51mm 80-amp polyurethane wheels with a rock finish, paired with high-speed ABEC 11 bearings. This combination guarantees smooth, fast, and shock-absorbing performance on various surfaces, from rough roads to smooth pavement. Weighing just 3.49 kilograms, the Junley Longboard is lightweight yet strong. It also includes an all-in-one skate tool for easy adjustments, making it an ideal gift for beginners and seasoned riders alike. Thanks for watching! These longboards are great choices to help beginners build confidence and enjoy every ride. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and details. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more longboarding tips and reviews. See you in the next video. Happy riding!